In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a buyer persona in 10 minutes or less without spending hours digging through endless data. I've included a link to the Google Sheet template below, and I'm going to walk you through it right now. First, when you download the template, you'll see three main tabs. Let's start with the Buyer Persona Template tab. Here, you'll input key details about your personas, job titles, pain points, goals, and more. It's fully customizable, so you can adapt it to your business needs. Next, we have the Example Buyer Persona Template tab. This is a pre-filled example from a software company. It shows you exactly how to define a buyer persona based on real-world scenarios. It's a great way to get inspired and see what works. Now here's where the magic happens, the AI-powered Buyer Persona tab. This is where the AI takes over. All you have to do is input the job titles and buying roles, and the AI will automatically generate the persona details for you. It fills in everything, job responsibilities, goals, blockers, and more, in just seconds. It's a game changer if you want to save time and create data-driven personas without the guesswork. So there you have it. Now you know how to create a buyer persona in less than 10 minutes by simply filling in the template, reviewing the example, and letting AI do the heavy lifting. If you want, go download the template via the link in the description below and subscribe to the channel to learn about all the AI-powered templates we use to grow our software company. See you in the next video.